Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Seals. Now today I'm going to be preparing 3 simple recipes to take care of your skin and give you amazing glowing skin from the inside out. Now guys, I'm going to show you how I take care of my skin using smoothies or juices to give me beautiful glowing skin from the inside out. In order to maintain beautiful skin, guys, you know that you have to eat healthy, you have to drink healthy, you have to drink your water, and you also can use amazing juice recipes that I'm going to be sharing with you today to take care of your skin from the inside out. The first drink recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you today will target dark circles, puffy eyes, and provides your body with fresh enzymes to fight inflammation and antioxidants that will fight cell damage, repairing our cells from the inside out. Now guys, it's time to put our first juice together. So we're going to put in our half a cucumbers, half cup of beetroot, half cup of carrot, and we're going to add 1 cup of water to this mixture. And also supposed to be about approximately 2 tablespoons of lemon, and I'm going to use about half of a lemon, and I'm pretty much going to be blending this mixture. Now guys, the lemon juice is going to help with the absorption of the vitamins and the minerals and the iron. Now guys, you can choose to blend it, you know, even more if you want it to be more refined. You can choose to blend it a little longer. So now our juice is ready. Now I usually consume this juice once per day, and you know what guys, I like to take my juices on an empty stomach, but you don't have to. You know, I find that it works really well if I take it on an empty stomach. You know, all the roughage in the vegetables, it's going to allow me to be a lot more regular. But I like to take this if I'm not fasting. I love to take this juice in the mornings just before having breakfast, or you can also take it in between your meals, like during your, you know, just before lunch or just before your dinner. Now the second juice recipe I'll be sharing with you is going to help to improve your overall health. It's going to improve your complexion, giving you bright, glowing looking skin, guys. This particular recipe is going to include turmeric, which is antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic, and it means that it's going to fight those stubborn pimples and prevent your skin from breaking out. Now guys, it's time to prepare our second juice. Now you can either choose to have this juice in the form of our smoothies, or you can make a tea. Now I have fresh turmeric here, and I also have fresh ginger. I also have some cinnamon, organic ground cinnamon, and I also have a half a cup of berries. Now guys, there are many different ways that you can do this particular juice or tea to get glowing, healthy skin. I'm going to show you how to put this together now and how you can achieve that glowing skin. There are different ways to make this particular juice or tea. Now if I'm making a tea, all I have to do is to pour a cup of water. Okay, you can add more if you want to, and then all I do is to add the turmeric. Now this is what turmeric looks like. Okay, it's really orange, as you can see. If you don't have the fresh turmeric, you can choose to use a powdered turmeric. You can use a quarter teaspoon of powdered turmeric. So all I do is to just add it to my water. And the next thing that I can do sometimes is I will cut it in two, just to make sure, you know, there's more surface area to boil, so I get a lot more out of it. And the next thing I do is to add my ginger. Okay, now I just take a piece of ginger, and I also like to cut it up a little bit. Okay, and I also like to add a little bit of cinnamon. This is organic ground cinnamon, so all I have to do is to use about a quarter teaspoon. It's a little bit, and I just add it there. And I also add a little bit of black pepper, with a quarter teaspoon of the black pepper as well. So I mix this well, and I boil it for approximately 5 minutes. Well, you might be wondering, what's the purpose of all these different ingredients? Now, as you can see, the turmeric was the main ingredient in this particular tea that we are going to be making. The curcumin in turmeric will be absorbed by adding the black pepper, and so we're using the black pepper also help with the absorption of all the different ingredients by our body. And so what I recommend you do is to cool it and then you can consume it afterwards. This particular tea, you can consume it approximately twice per day, and you can drink it. It's amazing for giving you that amazing, beautiful glow. Okay guys, so I just showed you how to put together the tea that's going to take care of your overall skin and give you that beautiful, healthy looking skin. So if you want to make the same tea as a juice, all you have to do is just add 1 cup of water. Okay, I have some turmeric and ginger here already cut up, and I'm going to add it to my mixture. I'm also going to add a half a cup of fresh berries. Now, you know guys, fresh berries give you fresh enzymes, you give you antioxidants that's going to fight free radicals, and it's also going to fight cell damage. If you are experiencing cell damage or anything like that in your skin will age a lot sooner, and so we don't want that. We want to take away or minimize or slow the aging process. This is a perfect way to do it, just to include these amazing ingredients. And so we're going to add this half a cup of frozen fresh berries. In the summer, I usually like to use the fresh berries. This is the frozen version, and all we have to do is just put it together and blend it. We're also going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of the cinnamon, and we're going to also add a 1/4 teaspoon of the black pepper. And all we have to do, guys, is just to put it together and blend it. Guys, the turmeric and the ginger are simply amazing when it comes on to health. And the same thing happens, guys, when you take it, on your skin externally. The same thing happens internally. So I want to encourage you to give this juice a try. Now the third recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is going to specifically target the glow that you want, you're looking for. That youthful, beautiful looking glow. If you are in your 30s or your 40s or your 50s, 60s, or even your 70s, you can use these juices not only for, to achieve great and amazing health, but also to minerals and vitamins and fresh enzymes, and they're going to give you that beautiful looking skin that you're looking for. Now guys, it's time for our third juice recipe, and this one is also my favorite because it gives clear, glowing skin. The main ingredients is going to be spinach, fresh raw spinach. That is the main ingredient, and guys, this is packed with iron. So if you're a person who is deficient in iron or anything like that, or chances are you just want beautiful glowing skin, this recipe is going to be for you. Okay, so come closer and let me show you how I'm going to put it together to get a glowing, beautiful skin. Now guys, when I first came across this particular recipe, it calls for fresh aloe vera. Now I have the aloe vera juice, so I'm going to be using the aloe vera juice instead of using water. I'm going to use 1 cup of aloe vera juice. And so I'm going to pour that into my cup. I'm also going to be using 1 cup of spinach, so I'm going to pour that in as well. And I'm also going to be using a half a cup of cucumber, which I have already cut up. Now, I'm also going to be adding to this mixture a half of a lemon. So here is our ginger. You can choose to use less ginger. If this is a little bit too much for you, you can choose to use less ginger, but I'm okay with this much ginger. And I'm also going to be using 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. But like the previous recipe, guys, we're using the black pepper in this recipe because we want our bodies to be able to sufficiently absorb the ingredients in this particular smoothie that we're making. Now guys, this is the result of our glowing skin smoothie. Now, the cucumber in this particular smoothie is going to hydrate our skin. It's very important for us. We're also using spinach because it's you know, it's healthy. It has a lot of iron. It helps with digestion. It's also very good, you know, just making our skin healthy from the inside out. You know, I love to use fresh ingredients in my smoothies because it gives my body fresh enzymes, fresh antioxidants that's gonna boost my body, make me healthier, and also it's just gonna nourish my body from the inside out. Now, if this is a video that you enjoy watching, guys, I encourage you to go ahead and like it so that others will be inspired by it. And also, if you have not yet joined the family, this is my special invitation to you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Become a part of this amazing, growing YouTube family. We have lots of great content to share. I'm encouraging you to get on the journey with me to great health and great looking skin. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!